Good morning, children. Today in our maths class, we are going to start a new lesson number 7. The topic name is percentage. So before moving into the depth, let's talk about its meaning first. So the spelling of percentage is Percentage. So if you break the word percent into two ways, you will get percent. Per means every and cent means 100. So every 100. A percentage is another way of expressing a fraction or a part of a whole. Similarly, you can also show percentage as fraction as well as decimals. Right now you have learned about fraction and decimals. For example, 75 over 100, it's represented as a fraction part. And now if you are going to represent it into decimal, it will be represented as 0.75. So this is the decimal form. This 7 represents the tens part and 5 represents the hundredths part. So 0.75. Next you are having percentage. So this 75 over 100 represents the percent out of every 100 part. So we are going to consider only numerator part when we are going to talk about percentage. So this is what 75%. This is the sign of percentage. Symbol of percentage is like this. Now you are going to read the grid and write the shaded part and the unshaded part as fractions, as decimals and as percents. So right now I am going to write shaded part for you. And similarly, you will do unshaded part. So here, there is a grid. In that grid, few parts are colored and remaining are unshaded. So the unshaded part we have to count first. That is, let's see, out of total 100, we have 10, 20, 30, this whole 10, if you add 3 10, you will get 30, and similarly this is 8. So 38 are shaded part. Let's write down into fraction first. So the color section represents 38 hundredths of the whole square. Now I am going to represent it into fraction. As a fraction, it is written as 38 upon 100. Now as a decimal, it will be written as 0.38, and as a percentage, you are only going to consider numerator part. So when you see the numerator part, that is 38%. So this is the percentage form of it. Now children, here I have done the shaded part. You will take out a copy and then you will do the unshaded part. The remaining unshaded part, you will show it as fraction and decimal along with percentage. Now for the homework, you are going to do the unshaded part as well as this one. Identify this symbol, write down the answer and then send it to me. Thank you.